Belaike kemang sasanai koktema kasai faika ha ari bakhogoi raidasiati Bharat hakotoro hapaika Bangladeshi Shikla Khoroksa paithago ramjakha Bharat hakotoro habwi Bangladeshi o Shikla binimung ongkha goromoni boido Bangladesh ni molbi hati Ganga nagorti khlai huijagoi ha ari bakhogoi Tripura haste koila shahar hapaimani goromoni boido aboni yagulo koila shahni simi Dharmanagor thangai Dharmanagor hatio himui berai tongwikha o goromoni boida ulo BSF rogni mokolo kalaikha o Bangladeshi Shikla BSF rogni mokolo kalaimani yagulo bononogi khami thikjak laikha BSF rog ulo bono kasowi singlaikha bo boroni faika hanai goromoni boida bo saikhna rakha noknokhoni bor rogno jolibui bo raidasiate ha ari bakhogoi Tripura haste koila shahar hapaimani hanai bini thani kari visa kari passport te kari Bharat hakotoro habjangnai nangmani document rok mungsapano kari tei yak buksano raidasiate ha ari bakhogoi Tripura haste koila shahar hapaikha bo fiaba BSF rok bai ramjakha ulo BSF rok bono koila shahar thanao thangai yafri rakha BSF rok yafri rimani yagulo koila shahar thanani police rok a Bangladeshi Shikla goromoni boidono sangfinik laikha te bono taisa Bangladesho ki free rinani bagai kok sap laikha ramjagnai goromoni boidono taisa bini Nogo Bangladesho ki free rohana bagai koilashor thanani police rok BSF rokni yago yafri laikha haino hai goromoni boidono
এবং কি কারণে আপনি ভারতে এসেছেন?
বাংলাদেশের কোন জায়গায় বাড়ি? মৌলভীবাজার ডিস্ট্রিক্ট।
পিএস
থানা কোন থানা? রাজনগর থানা। আপনি কোন জায়গা থেকে পুলিশ ধরছে?
কেন এসেছিলেন ভারতে? না ভারতে এসে কি করার জন্য এসেছিলেন?
কিছু করার জন্য।
Khulumka hasani lukurangno norogni bagai belekino kaham sep tobi faika St Joseph Hospital West Nowabadi Amtali Agartala West Tripura hasane fatara thaya karanyo hayung bermni shakdok naikani sep nahari mano belekino rangkisha baino o hospital lo sarbrumno general OPD wo sakdok naijago o hospital lo x-ray ki suti cough test khairni bagai nangmashak shep shap tongo te test khlai rijago o hospital lo hatibar thugino eba every week no kisasuk chongjak shalo burongni bemuk naikrung eba gynecologist surgery urology tei bukung khunjo totra naikrung doctor wo phai shakdok naifeyo tei abo simia o St Joseph Hospital lo talburum na chennai ni specialist doctor of phai orthopedic neurology tei urology bemarok no phai naifeyo abno karibo o hospital lo latest technology bai dal bidal bemarok ni operation ni facility bo tongo tei separate AC non AC room nawi shakdok najugni sebo manthogo hake taita moleri tongsinai phaidi kaham hayong bemni shakdok seb mana ni musungkhake eba tebasina musungkhake kungdi tolawo eba khamao roja kokduk number 7085256702 tekise kokduk number 9612998562
St. Joseph's Hospital, Agartala is a growing hospital with advanced facilities. The hospital started with minimum facilities in 2015, and from this humble beginning, over past 10 years, it is slowly grown to 20-bedded hospital, providing quality care to all sections of people at affordable cost. We provide best quality care to the patients. Our focus is to give holistic care to all who enter here with compassion and love. OPD facilities. General OPD Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Surgical OPD Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Gynec OPD Saturday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ortho and Uro Specialist OPD monthly once. ENT OPD on call. Cancer OPD every month, second Tuesday. We have inpatient facilities both for male and female and special rooms with AC and non-AC. OT facilities with post-operative ward and ICU care. Diagnostic facilities available in our hospital, digital X-ray, ECG and ultrasonography. And all types of blood investigations and urine tests are done here.
Khulumkha St. Joseph Hospital Agartala Omo Kaisa Kaham Hospital Oro Kaham treatment ungo operation facilities rok tongo every month Chennai ni specialist doctor hayo treatment khaipayo Kubuni Hospital Lokin Sulai Oro Kisa Rangbaino Kaham treatment ungo all types of investigation blood test x-ray scan ungo 24-hour doctor facilities tongo Taibo kaham kai saimanna ni bagai tin hospital of hai visit khalaimano hambai